Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi Nails. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of these. I'm sure you know how to use it, but I'm going to show you a different way to use it that's a lot easier. So today I'm using Cappuccino by NotPolish and Chocolate Thunder by NotPolish. So let's get this puppy started. So the nail's already prepped and done and ready. Now we're going to go in with the cappuccino first. And if you are new to nails or you're struggling with nails, get a good brand of acrylics. You will never get better with the cheap stuff, and you'll know why. But the good stuff, like NotPolish, Young Nails is okay. There's Valentino. There's Kiara Sky, I love them. They have really good acrylics. I'm gonna add a little bit more to this, and just do your homework and go on YouTube and watch the way I get my info. And what I notice is good is when one person is, or when multiple people are saying that the same brand is good, then it must be. So those are the ones that you should try out. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, normally you'd use it this way and you'd go down on the nail. We're going to turn it upside down, and it does an amazing cut compared to struggling with it the other way. Just make sure you get the right size. Okay. So watch how easy this is. See how it just comes off? Or it makes the cut at least. Now you just go in and clean it up with these side things. That's what these are for. Go in and take off the excess, and just make sure your thing's straight. If you have to go in again, and go in again. I didn't put enough acrylic on there. And then don't worry if you don't get it completely perfect. You can go in and file it with your file to get it perfect. If you're anything like me. And the way I like to do it too is, if I really mess up, is I will go in with an X-Acto knife and just fix it. But I'm just trying to get the point across of how to use that. Let's go with one more layer to fill in the pink, the cappuccino color. I'm just trying to hurry for you guys to make this under the 3-minute mark, so I'm kind of going sloppy. Not trying to, but it's just happening. So to make it better, you can go in with the file like I said, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So now I'm going in with the chocolate Thunder, I believe it is. And obviously you don't want to do it this thick. Just trying to get this done in under 3 minutes. And this NotPolish acrylic is so forgivable and so easy to work with. Like, if you are struggling, get NotPolish or Kiara Sky. They are amazing. You can't beat their acrylics. I have both of them, and I can't favor one over the other because they're both great. I'll even use Kiara Sky's monomer with different acrylics if I, because we all have an acrylic, stash of different kinds because we're trying them all and want to, try different kinds and find the best one and yada yada. So we all have, but I'll use that Kiara Sky with all my acrylics. But this stuff is so forgiving. It can go for days. Okay, now we're going to get some clear from good old NotPolish. Love this stuff. And we're going to encapsulate. Make sure you keep wiping your brush. Oh man, I just touched the other side of it. Got the other side of my brush. You don't want to do that, because then you'll make a mess with your beautiful brush. And if you're having problems with the brush, I've tried the Alpha, I've tried the Kiara Skies, I've tried every brand on Amazon. My favorite that I keep coming back to is NotPolish. This one is the number 14 from NotPolish. It is the best brush ever. And I crimped it myself. Like, it already comes a little crimped, but I wanted it even more, so I crimped it. Show you what the regular one looks like. I even have backups because I love, love, love this brush. I love all their products. I would have to say I love their and Kiara Sky's fingernail polish too, or the gel polishes. My favorite top coat though, by far hands down, is NotPolish. Their acrylic, or their top gloss coat and their matte. Oh, literally, I stocked up. I have like 10 bottles because they have an option to buy it like in an 8-ounce or buy 4 get 1 free. I bought 2 sets of the buy 4 get 1 free because they're that good. Like I literally have comments from my clients all the time of how amazing and how much better the top coat is than they've ever gotten at the salon. Okay, I know it looks crazy right now, but don't mind that. I'm gonna fix it. So, this is what the brush looks like crimped. And this is what it looks like not crimped. So, it's still like a little crimped, I think. But this one I crimped, this one, because I like it a little more flat. But they're amazing. And I got the same size in both of those. Okay, let me be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and file this puppy. So I just have my Kiara Sky drill on 8 RPM. It might not be dry enough. Love these drills. I also have a drill off of Amazon that I think, honestly, I think I like it almost better than my Kiara Sky one. It is AirSee brand, AIRSEE, and it was like $70. And I actually favor that one over my Kiara Sky one, which I really thought that I wouldn't, that I would love, like absolutely just love this one, especially for the price, but I actually, I prefer my Amazon one. I like the handle better on it. Like this is what the handle looks like. And this is what Kiara Sky's look like. It just feels like this one's more stable. Just my personal opinion. I just like, you know, I like reviews and people to tell me what they think about products, and I never would falsely, I'm not affiliated with any of them, so I would never falsely tell somebody this stuff is amazing and me not even try it, or I hate it. I would not advertise it unless I've actually tried it and I love it myself. Also, if you are looking for a practice hand, I recommend, once again, I'm not affiliated, I don't get any commission off of saying my opinion, but I would go for the for the red iguana hand. It's not worth spending, you know, $40 here, $40 there on ones on Amazon and everywhere else trying to get the best one, or hoping that you'll come across the best one. Trust me, I've tried them all, and nothing compares to it. I've got every hand you can think of off Amazon, every style, the ones that are the trainer hand, all the different ones as far as the silicone ones. I've gotten off different websites. By far, I will buy red iguana over anything, and I wish I wouldn't have wasted my money, you know, but we all have to figure it out for ourselves when somebody says something, but take my word for it, you won't regret it. The red iguana hand is just amazing. And I'm going to have a YouTube video up shortly on a review I did with that. So stay tuned. In my link is my YouTube channel. I'm just starting it, so it's not quite up yet. I have an art channel that's on YouTube, but I don't have any nail videos up yet. So, yeah, that will be coming. So, don't forget to follow and come check me out on YouTube. Get that lumpiness out of there. But if you struggle with those cutters, Try it that way. You'll fall in love with that way. It's so much easier. Ooh, and another fun tool that I have. Give me 1 second and I will show you. It would be this little tool I got off Etsy. And I'm not sure what it's called. But there is a, if you go through my videos on my Instagram, there is a video and a link of where I got it, the company of where I got it. So this is it. This is just a file band round thing a bit, but it fits in our nail drill. So this is the way to get a perfectly straight line. Watch how cool this is. I'm gonna do it from the bottom so it doesn't jerk it all over. I'm gonna turn it up pretty high speed. Mine's only at 8 right now. I'm seeing how it goes. Turn it up a notch. And it literally melts it away like it's butter. Like, isn't that crazy? Crazy, crazy. But I love this thing. This thing is amazing. May not be straight on the hand, but you know, from wherever the hand angles. And then give me a second and I will show you the not polished top coat. You will die. Okay guys, she is done and top coated. Check out that gloss. So pretty. Make sure you have dust free area. This is the not polished gloss. And their matte is amazing also. All their products are amazing. Alright guys, I appreciate your time. Don't forget to follow me. Go subscribe to my YouTube channels. And we will see you next time. Thanks, guys.